Hey guys, welcome back. Just gonna look at some Vipers. We're just gonna, yeah, we got some short cards, pretty sick. So we got this like sort of silverish one, pretty cool short card. They're in pretty good condition, not bad. Got this one, Never Dream Garage. The hook is a little bent, a little vein for it. This one's like silver with a chrome base. Still pretty cool. And the other one we got this black one, Black Viper. It's a little coupe. It's pretty sick though. I think this one's a little nah, I think it's the same thing. It's still a pretty sick one. Really do. This is probably my favorite one out of all of them. Pretty nice. Then for the last one we got this gold Viper. No, not like gold. Yeah, it's like kind of a gold Viper, pretty sick. It's a pretty interesting color, not bad. So the thing is, this is guaranteed for life. I wonder like if they had like international or American, or they just kind of put this on here. Probably is like a US card, yeah. I do like the background they used to put on these, pretty sick. It's a pretty cool Viper. The plastic's a bit yellow because of the time it's been in there. Yeah. Still pretty sick. Got these Vipers. Cool. This one's like a little off. I thought this one's a little bent, but it's not. Yeah, guys, other than that, that's everything. Just wanted to show you those, and yeah, I'll see you guys later. See ya.